Good morning, smoothie lovers. Looking for a delicious and healthy way to kickstart your mornings? Today, we've got 10 amazing breakfast smoothies that are not only super tasty, but packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Yummy! First up, the Berry Protein Smoothie. This one's loaded with mixed berries, Greek yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, and protein powder. It's rich in antioxidants and protein, perfect for muscle recovery and keeping you full until lunch. Next, we have the ultimate green detox smoothie. With spinach, kale, green apple, cucumber, lemon juice, and ginger, this smoothie is a vitamin-packed powerhouse. It's hydrating, refreshing, and great for flushing out toxins. For a creamy and satisfying option, try this peanut butter banana smoothie. It's made with almond milk, peanut butter, and banana, giving you a boost of protein and potassium. It's perfect for those who crave something sweet but healthy. Need an anti-inflammatory boost? The Mango Turmeric Smoothie is for you. With tropical mango, creamy coconut milk, and the healing powers of turmeric, this one not only tastes amazing, but helps fight inflammation too. Chocolate for breakfast? Yes, please. The chocolate almond smoothie combines unsweetened cocoa, banana, almond milk, and almond butter for a decadent yet healthy treat. It's rich in antioxidants and protein, guilt-free indulgence. For a fiber-filled breakfast that'll keep you going, try the oatmeal smoothie. Rolled oats, Greek yogurt, and banana come together for a creamy, hearty smoothie that gives you lasting energy. If you love creamy smoothies, check out the Avocado Spinach Smoothie. Avocado, spinach, pineapple, and lime juice make this smoothie rich in healthy fats and vitamins. It's silky smooth and oh so nutritious. Want to boost your immune system? The carrot ginger smoothie is packed with beta-carotene from the carrots and has a zing of fresh ginger to keep your digestion in check. It's fresh, vibrant, and full of flavor. Strawberries and oats come together in this next one, the Strawberry Oat Smoothie. It's loaded with fiber from the rolled oats and vitamin C from the strawberries. This smoothie keeps you full and energized for hours. Last but not least, we have the Tropical Smoothie. Pineapple, mango, coconut milk, and a handful of spinach make this smoothie refreshing and packed with vitamin C. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. These smoothies are not just delicious, they're quick and easy to make, full of healthy nutrients and perfect for breakfast. Whether you're in the mood for something fruity, creamy, or even chocolatey, there's a smoothie here for you. So which smoothie are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy breakfast ideas. Until next time, stay healthy.